कांदोळे, हंजूण, वागातोर आणि म्हापशा वाठारांतल्या 11 आउटलेटांचेर एफडीएन धाड घाली. हे धाडीत 11 आउटलेटांची तपासणी करून 9 आउटलेट्स बंद केली. अन्न सुरक्षा कायद्याचे नेम पाळूंक नाशिल्ल्यान ही कारवाय केल्ल्याचें कळटा.
FDA team today carried out a follow-up check at Mapsa Alankar area. The outlets that were directed to close the other day have still remained closed, and it is observed that they have been carrying out some corrective checks. We have reiterated that they will have to ensure that each and every point is complied. Similarly, we have also been taking up this issue with the Mapsa municipality to restrict full-fledged cooking area at this area. We will suggest that they carry out cooking in some other premises with our license, and then only the finishing be done at this area. If they do so, then that will help them to also keep this place in a hygienic manner. Similarly, the team also visited areas in Anjuna and Kalangut. We had received a few complaints through social media, and we've checked those places also. Of the 11 inspections done there, 9 of them were not up to the mark. Although some of the non-compliances were minor, but nevertheless we have asked them to close their operations, and we have asked them to comply everything, and once the compliances are submitted, we will assess their situation and give them permission to resume operations.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.